The Nutopia collection really started with this idea of passage and people transitioning from, one space to another. We also are very interested in biophilia and thinking too about how nature is represented in urban areas.
Actually, biophilia occurs inside of the inner cities. Think about the Beltline in New York. Think about all these other abandoned buildings that have grass growing up inside of them. And so this Nutopia product was a great example of us looking at inner city connectivity to biophilic design.
The Nutopia collection was designed in plank format, and the pattern itself has these spiked transitions through it that lend itself really well to the plank format. Nutopia is made with our new heathered hues yarn system. It creates a wool-looking yarn, and then we also have a new dematerialized backing.
So red lists are a list of chemicals that people think that are probably not the best inside of an environment. And so we work with our R&D team to look at the red list and things that potentially could be on the future red list, and we eliminated them from our backing.
We're thinking about how can we live with less.
Before we make the product, we have to calculate how much water, energy, greenhouse gases, those types of things that we would use, and the social impact of those things. And then we go and offset that prior to making the product.
So Urban Passage has this transitional pattern built into it. One end is the ground, and obviously the ground tile, or plank I should say, connects to the one end of this piece. So now you can see that you can start building ground spaces that transition into more active spaces. This color ties to the color that's in the transition piece. And because it's so textural, it really, really pops and allows you to have some very dramatic spaces carved out on the ground.
And it creates a good element for people to feel good inside of a space. How do you make people feel better inside of the space at the end of the day?